Hello everyone, it's Cynthia. To ask a librarian to access it, you can click on the link in our bio, or you can go to ask-a-librarian.org/Valencia. Once you're there, you have the option to either text a librarian, chat with one, or email. For today's tutorial, we're going to chat with the librarian. On this page, you can insert your name, it is optional, and you can provide the question you want the librarian to assist you with. The question I needed assistance with today is on my paper. I needed to create citations for it. When a librarian joins a chat, their name will show and they will greet you and take a moment to read your question and provide that research. Today our librarian assisting us is Jessica. She's assisting me with my citation. As a librarian is finding you the best resources and assistance, they would make sure to ask the right questions in order for you to succeed. Letting the librarian know what type of citation I need for my paper. The librarian then directed me to a Valencia citation guide that would further help me create citations and make sure I'm doing my work correctly for my paper. If I had any other questions, I could have provided them with the librarian to further assist me, but for today's tutorial, that was all the help I needed. Connect with the librarian to help you succeed with your classes this semester.